They're fearful. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of, fear of judgment, fear of their partner's reaction.
After analyzing 16 fatal intimate partner violence cases resulting in 24 deaths in Quebec between 2018 and 2022, a new report from the province's coroner's office shows that victims often don't seek the help they need, even if there are clear identifiable signs and resources to help.
People who are victims don't always come running for help. There's many reasons for that, evidently. Some people also don't recognize the clear signs. For them, it's so habitual that it becomes kind of a day-to-day. And
the purpose of the report, called Acting Together to Save Lives, is to highlight these key factors that lead to intimate partner violence in order to determine predictable patterns.
The risk factors that they cited that were present in more or less all of the cases were the ones that we know already. Previous incidents of violence, if there's a previous history of physical or other types of violence, if there's an issue called coercive control, which even though it might not be episodes of physical violence, they are episodes of manipulation and control within an intimate partner relationship, which might lead to aggravated incidents of violence, including femicide.
The report makes 32 recommendations, some of which focus on gun control and promoting resources for people who need to move away from an abusive partner.
I think that this report does, like I said, it gives a good understanding, but there needs to be more. And I think there needs to be a lot of action with our governments, and there needs to be a collaboration between community and government organizations. Even though there is a lot of that now, there needs to be more, and there needs to be a lot more sensibilization of the population.
But what I find interesting in this report is that the title, okay? I mean, the title is Working Together so as to Save Lives. And I think this indicates the willingness to, on the one hand, have a global vision of how everybody works in a context of conjugal violence. It isn't only the abusers, it's the factors leading to the abuse. It isn't only the victims, it's the lack of support for the victims. The willingness is there, the intent might be there. The wish to connect the dots so as to prevent future femicides or murders is there, but as a society and as a system, the different departments are not working in a conjointed fashion yet.
In Montreal, Corinne Boyer, City News.